everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Video. So in today's video, we're going to finish wrapping up this HVAC ductwork, and I'm going to get it wrapped in this radiant barrier. Before I do that, I'm going to start wiping them down, make sure there's no condensation on them from the AC running yesterday, and no more dust and dirt and mud and old fiberglass. So I'm going to try to get them as clean as possible. Double check my tape spots, and then, you see that? And then we'll get this thing wrapped up and get this stage done so I can move on to supporting my beams in here and put my concrete blocks in. So I hope you enjoyed today's content. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section. As soon as the video is over, go check out some of the other content. Enjoy the clip. Everybody, that's going to do it for today's video. I got the HVAC wrapped and done. Just going to get cleaned up, and then my next step is to go ahead and put in my supports underneath my beams, those posts, and I'll figure out exactly where I want to put those, and I'll start putting my concrete blocks down, and so I can measure those and cut those and get them put in. Then it's a floor joist and subfloor. So if you're enjoying following along, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. Now go check out some of the other content. Appreciate it, everybody. Bigfoot out.